Sleeping Beauty has clearly just woke up, but I'm super excited to be sharing my favorite hair mask ever. Now, normally I use this hair mask on my natural hair, but currently my hair is straight and has been straight for like a month now, and clearly it's not doing so good. It's stringy, it's smelly, it's breaking. My scalp is on fire, and this mask that I have right here is just what I need to get my hair to bounce back. So if you guys want to see how I get my hair to revert from straight to curly using my DIY Aloe Vera avocado hair mask, just keep on watching. So to create my DIY Aloe Vera avocado hair mask, you're gonna need an overripe avocado, of course, preferably one that, has just been sitting around. It's probably a little brown, don't really care to eat it, because I'm an avocado lover and I hate to see them go to waste. So usually when they get overripe, that's the best time to use it for any hair mask that you create. So as you can see, I cut this avocado in half. You definitely can use the whole thing, but being that I'm gonna be adding the avocado oil in addition to the avocado, I'm just gonna use half this time around. So we're gonna add that half of avocado to this Ninja blender cup. That's how I'm gonna be blending this mixture up. Avocado is so beneficial for your hair. It's loaded with so many vitamins, from vitamin E, A, D, B6. It's high in protein. It's just really good to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. And if you have any type of damage or dryness to your hair, kind of like mine right now, this will definitely help bring it back to life. So that's why it's a star ingredient in this recipe. Another star ingredient in this recipe is fresh aloe vera gel. Actually, I should say it's kind of like a superhero because it has saved my hair plenty of times, okay girl? Now, aloe vera gel is no stranger to my channel. Whenever I use it in my hair, I get it straight from the aloe leaf, like from a Korean store. It's really inexpensive, like $2 or $3. And then all I do is just slice it up, whatever amount that I'm gonna use, and just peel back that outer layer of the aloe vera leaf to expose all that good stuff, all that slime, jelly, sticky gel that our hair loves so much. Like, aloe vera gel just moisturizes and hydrates my hair like no other. So y'all know adding this to the mix was a no-brainer. So once I'm done, I just add these luscious chunks of aloe vera gel to the bowl and set it aside to blend. So as you can see, the aloe vera leaf still has aloe vera gel on it, so we're not gonna throw this away. We're actually gonna pack some of them in a Ziploc bag so we can add it to our scalp and just help with preventing any itchiness on the scalp and reducing dandruff. Next up is coconut oil, and I swear you guys, half of my channel is dedicated to coconut oil because I use this in my hair all the time. And I'm just gonna add 1 heaping tablespoon of coconut oil to the mixture. And as you guys know, coconut oil is just so beneficial for your hair. It adds strength, shine, luster. It's good for split ends, hair breakage, and it's just good for overall hair growth. Next up, I have avocado oil, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to the mixture. The monosaturated fatty acids and the high levels of antioxidants like vitamin E is so well absorbed into our scalp and hair shaft. So not only does it have a high moisturizing property, but it's very protective and effective against environmental stressors or any type of damage. Now we're gonna follow that up with some sweet almond oil, and we're just gonna use about 1 teaspoon. Sweet almond oil increases the luster and shine of your hair. It improves scalp circulation. It's really good at adding strength to the hair and just promoting overall hair growth. And we're also gonna use a teaspoon of the Jamaican black castor oil. And honestly guys, where would my edges be today without Jamaican black castor oil? It's so good at increasing hair growth and just adding strength to your hair and just making it more thick. And you want to top this hair cocktail off with some Moroccan argan oil, and we're going to be using a half a teaspoon of this oil. It's so good at hydrating and just softening your hair. So into the glass jar it goes, and we're just going to cover this bad boy up, and you just want to blend it until it's smooth. Sometimes it takes a few tries. You have to open it up, scoop it around and make sure you get it off the blade, and it should look something like this, like mashed baby food. And once you got the consistency, then you can add the aloe vera gel to the mixture and finish blending. Once you're done, you should be left with this creamy, smooth, lime green hair mask that, oh my god, feels so good in between my fingers, you guys. Like, look at that bright, vibrant color. You can just eat that up, but all that good stuff is for our hair to eat up. And once our hair gets a hold of this, ooh child, you're gonna be making this like at least once a month. That's how nourishing and moisturizing and hydrating this mask is. It's seriously the truth. All right guys, so as you can see, my hair is straight, looking a sweaty hot mess. Okay girl, yeah, so I had my hair straight for like a whole entire month. I didn't get to film that for you guys, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay girl, as you guys saw earlier, I put together this aloe vera avocado mask or avocado aloe vera mask. Doesn't really matter what order you say it in. As you can see, this thing is so damn creamy. I could literally eat it, but I ain't gonna eat it. All right, so I'm gonna start applying this bad boy to my hair, and I'm gonna see if this is gonna help revert my hair back to curly. We're using gloves today. So first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair. So remember when we cut up the aloe vera leaf at the beginning of the video? Remember I saved some of the slices. It's gonna help, you know, just revive my scalp and help to ease some of the itchiness. I'm just piercing little holes in there to open the aloe vera sockets so all that yummy juice can come out. Put some at the front, right on my scalp, and just massage it into my hair. So I'm just gonna section my hair, apply the aloe vera gel, section it, and apply. And now we can start applying the mask. I'm just gonna work it throughout my hair. This reminds me of like Nickelodeon slime. And you see I started from the ends and I'm just slowly working my way up. Oh, this feels so good in my hair, you guys, because it's so nice and cool. I definitely recommend that you guys put this mask in the fridge right before you use it. And look, I think my curls are coming through. Ooh, yes, baby. The curls are back. The curls are back. The curls are back. Man, this makes my heart smile. It's such a relief whenever you get your hair straightened to see your curls come back, because no matter how much heat protectant you use, you just never know, girl. All right, you guys, so as you can see, the first section is definitely a success and it's looking so hydrated, so happy. So I'm just gonna twist it up and move on to the next section. Probably like super surprised to see my hair straight. Normally when I straighten my hair, I do take you guys along with me, but this time there were different circumstances. I didn't go to the same place to get my hair done, and even though my hair came out so beautiful and I wanted to like share every detail with you guys, the person that I went to get my hair done at didn't feel comfortable filming. Whenever someone expresses that when I want to film, I have to respect it. So I hope you guys understand. But I'm so happy to see that after she did my hair, that my curls are reverting back so effortlessly. And you know, I got my hair cut, even out, so I am set for a few months. Ooh, I totally forgot to add the aloe vera gel skin to my scalp. So forgive me while I get my puncture on. So as you guys can see, all of my straight hair has successfully reverted back to curly. So all I'm gonna do is pin my hair up and leave this avocado aloe vera hair mask in my hair for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna, you know, follow with my regular wash day routine. If you guys have not seen any of my wash day routine videos, I'll be sure to link them in the description box down below. Once I'm finished styling my hair, I will show you guys the results. So it's the next day and ooh, am I excited. So my hair has been washed, detangled, and styled, doing a twist out, and these are the results. Super soft, fluffy, moisturized, shiny, healthy, hydrated curls. Everything I used to achieve this look will be linked in the description box down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Give this mask a try and let me know in the comment section down below how it worked out for your hair. If you made it to the end of this video, you might as well join the Bella Misia fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. As always, beauties, I love you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
White noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you.